we're going to show you how to hang a Sauna Fix inside the tent. And there's two ways to hang it. Let me first show you how to put the internal partition. Remember how the door was here? We can cut this in half. And at first, again, I thought that we'd need to do that because of not being hot enough. Well, I found out that when I hang my lights in here and I do my exercise routine, lo and behold, after 5 to 10 minutes of doing my exercise routine, I'm already sweating. So I sit down and do my sauna, or I'll stand up closer to the lights and I'll be dripping sweat, and I don't even need to put this in here. But it's included in your kit so you can see what you like to do best. But this basically just hangs in the middle. So the Sauna Fix comes with rope ratchets. If you buy the bundles, you also get chains to hang things with. And so it's just a matter of personal preference, you know, what you like to do and how you're going to hang the sauna. This one was just hung over a door, so it was focused on someone riding a bicycle. So this chain is obviously way too long. And these just have the link adjusters, which are pretty easy to undo and configure it however works best for you. There's a video online of already how to hang the Sauna Fix with rope ratchets, so that's kind of why I'm going to use the chains this time. There's people that have back injuries that can't sit down and take a sauna. If you're one of those people, you hang it higher so this shines on the trunk of your body. Because systemically, your circulation is going to increase when the trunk of your body is heated up. And some people like to do fascia blasting, and so they can take their fascia blaster and they can move around. So maybe standing up is a position that you like. If that's the case, this is how you can hang it. You know, with this bar, see, you can, you know, move it around. When people are doing hot yoga, this configuration usually gets in the way. So I just wanted to show you how to hang a Sauna Fix in the sauna compartment if you choose to use the partition. Now, if you're going to do exercise, you're going to want the room. And so the best way to hang the lamp for that position is not from this top. The whole Sauna Fix weighs about 12 pounds, so it's super lightweight. And even if it's been on for hours, you can hold it like this and it will not burn your hand. It'll be warm, but you know, you're not going to be reaching for the aloe vera. You can see from the back of the Sauna Fix, we have all kinds of loops. And those give great attachment points to where literally you could use this Sauna Fix anywhere. And so what I'm going to do, I'm thinking of my electrical cord and heat. You know, I don't want to run that cord over my heat. So I'm going to choose this loop here. So I'm going to hang it like this, because then it's out of the way and you can do some more movement and stretches and all that kind of stuff. So I am going to basically get rid of everything but a loop in the hook. So if you just buy the tent and the sauna a la carte and you don't get the bundle, or if you don't buy the additional accessories, I do recommend the chains, even though people originally complained that they were loud and clanky. I just find it just easier to use. And so that's the correct position. So this is the perfect position to hang the Sauna Fix light when you're going to be exercising, because if you're going to be going, you know, like this, or exercising, or going like this, you know, that way you don't have to worry about the lights, you know, being in the way. And then also, you know, having been in a car wreck, having to have knee surgery, one of my knees is not like it should be. The other neat thing about this is for those of us that have kind of injuries and need to have a little bit of help where our knee won't let us come up, you can hold on to those poles. But the neat thing about the bar again is you can move the lights in or out of the way, and you can actually put your bicycle in here. You can lift weights. You do not have to do hot yoga.